So what we have right here is a dissected crab. This particular crab was infected with the barnacle parasite Loxothylacis panopii. And so we can see the internal root system of the barnacle parasite, which are called rhizoids. I like to call them also as like ramen noodles because they kind of remind me of ramen noodles. And so they basically infect the whole inside of the crab, and they spread into a lot of the organs, the major organs, such as this yellow blob right here, which is the hepatopancreas. And so a lot of the internal rhizoid systems just take over the crab, and they also nutrient absorbing, meaning that they will affect the physiology of the crab. This is a crab that has been co-infected, meaning it's been infected with the barnacle parasite Loxothylacis panopii, but also the intinicid Cryptocancreum brevibrachium. This is a mature intinicid female that we found inside the crab. It also has really immature larvae, and so these are basically epicoridium larvae that have not really developed their legs yet. The legs are basically like little small stumps right now. This shows that a male intinicid has fertilized the egg sac, and the larvae have just expelled. And so you can really see and tell the difference between mature and immature females. One, the size difference. This mature female is just huge in comparison to an immature female, which would be about a third of its size. And then another way you can tell is through the color. So a lot of mature females have a bit of a color change in them. So they might be seen more orange, reddish, just darker in coloration in general than immature females. A lot of the immature females are usually white or yellow in color, whereas these mature ones can range from pink, red, and orange.